In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps over here. Then scroll down to click on Cloned Apps. Click on gray switcher next to an app you wish to clone, or to access any other app that's not suggested, hit See Other Apps and tap on gray switchers next to any of those. Then wait. So when I go back and check, as you can see, my apps were successfully cloned. If you want to delete those clones, go back to the same settings and click on No Black Switchers next to your apps. Confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!